vlogged in a while, so this is gonna be great. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready here. We're all going to be headed to Mandaluyong for a lovely Greek cuisine that has showed up on our radar, and we were like, we love food, everyone loves food, and we're a bunch of culinary students. Why not go to this Greek cuisine, you know? Anyone else gets that vibe? No? Okay. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Give us the lowdown. Wow, look at that. Thank you so much.
Alin yung pinili niya? Sayang. Wala na yung bread. They would have eaten with the bread. Sorry, hindi ko narinig eh.
My 3 boys eating so happy. Hi Jun, kamusta? Kamusta?
Parang logi.
Lugi.
Mas okay pa kaysa dun sa...
Whoa.